Hey socialites, welcome back. And if you're new, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and a little bit of lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. You guys can probably tell from the title that we have a good old haul today. Beauty haul. I got some new beauty goodies, some fragrances that I can't wait to share with you guys. Before we jump into the haul, I do want to thank Nordstrom for sponsoring today's video. So exciting to work with a brand that I love so much and that I shop with so much. This year actually marks the 125th anniversary of Nordstrom. So the Nordstrom anniversary sale is one of their biggest sales of the year that they have every single year, and it's been going on a few days already. It's a tiered sale, but the sale opened up to everybody on July 18th, and the sale goes on until August the 9th. So you guys definitely have time to shop. Now, every single thing I show you guys in today's video will be linked down below in the description box. So I do want to encourage you guys to shop through those links, and let's jump right into the haul. So I got a couple of bags, y'all. I ended up actually doing a buy online and pick up in store order as well. So keep in mind that's a great option if you guys have a Nordstrom near you. All of these items, with the exception of one, are repurchases. These are re-ups on products that I've already used up. You guys already know these are some of my favorite beauty products and fragrances. If you're not new here, you guys know that. So jumping right into it. So first up is the Clinique 100-Hour Moisture Surge. This is actually a product that I use every single time I do my makeup. It is a moisturizer, but it can double as a primer. A lot of people don't know that. Gives you a very smooth canvas to work with on your skin. And because it's gel-based, it absorbs into the skin quicker. So on those days where you're just trying to get your makeup done, you don't have to worry about sitting there for 5 or 10 minutes while your thicker cream sort of soak into the skin. So this is actually the biggest size I think they make, which is the 4.2 ounce. So it was great to get such a discount during the anniversary sale. Next up is another set. This is a product that I've repurchased maybe 2 or 3 times already. It's the Donna Karen Cashmere Mist Antiperspirant Deodorant, and it smells divine. Not only does it smell really good, y'all, it actually holds me in all day long, and every deodorant doesn't hold me in all day long, y'all. The socialites actually put me onto this, and ever since I've been repurchasing whenever I see it on sale. So this actually comes with 3 full sizes. So I'm definitely good to go for the rest of the year and probably a little bit of 2027, y'all. This smells so good. If you've tried the Donna Karen deodorant before, let the girlies know in the comment section how you feel about it. Oh my gosh, this makes me actually want to pick up the perfume, y'all. I don't have the perfume of this, but the deodorant smells divine. Next couple of items are brush sets, and they're not just any brush sets. They are the best brush sets. So I got a couple of BK Beauty sets. First is the BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy brush set, and I already own one of these sets, but with the sale, you guys, you've got to try them. Top tier brushes, so whenever they're on sale, you definitely want to pick a set up. The BK Beauty Angie Hot and Flashy set comes with 7 brushes. Now, these 6 I actually use for my eyes because they have some really good blender brushes in the set, and this angled brush I usually use for like powder bronzer and blushes. Now, every now and again, I'll use it for creams, but I prefer to use it with powders. Excellent quality, wash out really well without shedding. Great quality brush set. So excited to have another one. My favorite brush in this set is actually the A503. So I use this for like to blend eyeshadow and also like to contour my nose. It's a great size. So even though my eyes aren't super big, I like that I could use it in the crease, or I can use it as like an all over shader brush. But every brush in here is really, really good, y'all. Must try. And the second BK Beauty brush set I got is the Essentials 4-piece set. Now this is another good one. It comes with 4 brushes that you can use for your liquid or your powder powder complexion products. So this brush set actually comes with my favorite brush, which is the 101 brush. Now I use this for my foundation, like my liquid foundation, and I also use it for like cream bronzer and cream blushes every now and again, but definitely for my foundation more than anything. And the other 3 brushes that come in a set are just some really great powder brushes that you can use for your all over powder or powder bronzers, powder blushes, that sort of thing. I love that it has the assortment of sizes. The way the 104 tapers at the top makes it really good for like contouring too, y'all. Oh, I love brushes. Y'all know I love makeup brushes. I could talk about this stuff all day. And the 102 brush, let me pull it out. This one's just like an all around big fluffy brush. Now, when you wash them, they do get a little bit bigger, which I love, bigger, fluffier. And you could just use this for like your all over face powder. And the same for the 103. You could definitely use it for your all over face powder. The more you wash it, it does get bigger and fluffier. This one sort of goes in. The barrel kind of dents in on both sides. So this is another good one that'll be for like blush and contour as well. And the last couple items I got are actually fragrances. Now, one is a restock or a repurchase. So I'll show you guys that one first. And it came in the cutest, most luxe box. So if you guys were looking to get somebody a gift, this might be a great gift idea. This is from Tom Ford, and it's the Lost Cherry perfume set. Now, this is quite expensive, y'all. So to get it for this price and you get the travel as well was an absolute steal. Nordstrom killed the fragrances this year. The fragrances they have on sale during the anniversary sale literally had me like, oh my gosh. I had to narrow it down to which 1 or 2 that I was going to get. And it was super difficult. Not gonna lie about that, y'all. So it actually comes with the 50 ml and then you get the 10 ml travel size. So Lost Cherry was like the originator in cherry perfumes, in my opinion. I don't think I had a cherry perfume in my collection until I tried this one. Imagine a warm sort of boozy cherry that's not too super sweet with like a undertone of something that gives like almond like. It smells so good, so nice and warm, and it layers well with a lot of my other perfumes too. Addictive. Okay, when I posted my video last year of my fragrance empties, all the fragrances I used up last year, Lost Cherry was one of them. So happy to have this back into my collection. And the last fragrance I picked up was actually on one of my wish lists that I showed you guys, and I didn't pick it up. I ended up going with something else. So when I saw this was on sale for as deep of a discount as it was, no brainer, immediately add to cart. This is Lancome's La Belle, the Vanille Nude version. This is one of their new flankers and it smells so good. I originally picked it up in a travel size. I used that travel size up and it immediately went on my wish list. La Belle is my mom's signature scent and I love vanilla. So when I saw they were coming out with a vanilla version last year, picked it up and it smells so good. If you remember or you have the original version, imagine the floral tone back a little bit and add a yummy, warm, sweet vanilla in there. It's soft, feminine, so pretty. This is one of those perfumes that I feel like it's hard not to love. And it happened to be the biggest bottle that's on sale, y'all. This is the 3.4 ounce. Look how stinking cute it is. This is going to be so pretty on my vanity, y'all. My mom doesn't like vanilla perfumes, or she thinks she doesn't like vanilla perfumes, even though La Belle, the original, is her signature scent. But when she smelled this, it turned her into a believer. She was like, I thought I didn't like vanilla. I told you so. It smells just that nice. Oh, y'all, it's so soft. You still get the floral in there, but like I said, it's toned back a little bit. Oh, smells so good. If you've smelled this before, let me know what you think about it. It's not like super strong like the OG, but it definitely has a really great presence to it. So during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, they are giving away gifts. If you start adding stuff to cart, depending on what you pick up, y'all, some of this stuff comes with gifts, like free gifts that they let you, add. So make sure you add those free gifts to cart if you see that they're available. And that is my haul, y'all. It wasn't a lot, but it was still a mighty haul. I'm super happy with everything that I picked out this year. Every single thing that I showed you guys in today's video, I'll have linked down below in the description box. So be sure to shop through those links. And again, huge thank you to Nordstrom for sponsoring today's video. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.